On behalf of Burlington Community School District and Carl A. Nelson Company, Bray Architects is pleased to share progress updates for the additions and renovations for the current high school. The proposed construction project is broken down into 3 phases: high school master planning, air quality improvements, and additions and renovations. Master planning, which began in the summer of 2021, was an effort that looked at the long-range needs of the high school, as well as work to provide a new educational vision moving forward. This coincided with the initial phase of air quality improvement, consisting mainly of HVAC upgrades that utilized ESSER funds as part of the CARES Act that was implemented in response to impacts of COVID-19. Master planning ultimately led to the elements of the additions and renovations shown in Phase 2, which will continue over the next 3 years in phases to accommodate school year schedules. The overall site master plan indicates in green the areas of additions and renovations to the high school. This phase of work includes a fitness center addition in the northwest corner, an enclosed connecting link for the circulation path between the main academic building and the industrial arts building to the north, and extensive renovations throughout the 2-story academic building. The area shown in orange is conceptual future work that the district is targeting for long-term improvements. This work would potentially include a new gymnasium, performing arts center, and large format student commons. Floor plan views of the existing high school show the areas of major renovation areas in teal and the fitness center addition, as well as the linking corridor in orange. The element in orange at the south end of the existing Cafeteria plaza signifies a built element that will identify the new main entrance for the building. The areas of renovation are represented in these diagrams by subject area. Highlights include the following: a relocation of the current administration wing and new main entrance, new open collaboration and student learning areas that are sprinkled throughout the first and second floors to adapt to ever-changing learning environments, an expanded special education and BEC program suite, library space modifications, and relocation of the science department as well as health sciences.
Burlington School District's unique identity, the Greyhounds, plays out in the design concept implemented throughout the space. Dynamic angles provide a sense of movement, momentum, and energy. Burlington Purple boldly draws attention to architectural features that underline the strength and confidence of Greyhound character. A new secure main entrance will be located at the southeast corner of the events courtyard. The new canopy will be highly visible from the south main parking lot and will identify the entry for visitors. The shape of this structure creates a welcoming gateway to the courtyard, supporting a sense of place within the courtyard area itself. Graphics on the cafeteria glass will draw the eye back and point visitors to the events entrance. The secure entry will be controlled by district staff and will allow access to the school and to the administrative suite. This welcoming space includes areas for updates for visitors, as well as specific branded elements that announce "We are Burlington." An all-new reception area, administrative suite of offices, and a hub for student services has been located directly adjacent to the cafeteria and is easily accessible for students. Dynamic architectural elements add a sense of Greyhound identity to this important space. Collaboration spaces are planned for both first and second floor. They include large open spaces as well as small group instruction rooms. Collaboration spaces are adjacent to classrooms and can be used for breakout and group activities. These spaces are highly flexible to keep up with evolving learning needs. They have an open concept that is visually connected to the classrooms that they support. This second floor collaboration space is open to the hallway to allow for easy connection. An effort was made to break down the typical long institutional corridor feel by connecting the collaboration spaces to circulation.
The library areas on both the first and second floors are also a focus area for renovation. The goal is to make this space have an open and inviting connection to the circulation hallways. By expanding the entrances and creating additional visibility in and out, students and faculty will be encouraged to utilize this central core in greater ways. Within the library itself, the new floor plan configuration will reshape the interior space. It will be outfitted with new specialty accent lighting as well as decorative ceiling soffit elements to update the space. The openness of the space will remain flexible for a variety of bookshelf and table layout options. The second floor area of the library will maintain the open feel and natural light from the upper clerestory windows. Similar to the first floor, accent elements and connections to the circulation path will be updated, and the open flexible collaboration areas will allow a multitude of functions to take place.
Completely new science rooms and supporting spaces are outfitted with the equipment storage, cabinetry, and science tables needed for today's science classrooms. Likewise, the health sciences spaces have been carefully laid out to support the program and needs into the future. The rooms in the health sciences suite are connected with sliding glass doors to allow flexibility in teaching methods across the spaces.
The Burlington Education Center and other special education spaces will also be relocated to new, expanded areas. Located where the current administrative office and entry functions, this new suite will include instructional spaces, a kitchen, and other support spaces.
The newly refreshed classrooms include new finishes, casework, ceilings, and in some cases walls that replace old partitions. To connect the main academic portion of the school with the Industrial Arts Building to the north, a new enclosed linking corridor will be constructed at the current open sidewalk location. This connection will greatly benefit the pedestrian traffic from building to building by bringing it inside from the elements to encourage activity to and from. This exterior view of the linking corridor shows the intent to include the current building cadence and materials to make it seem as it has always been a part of the original building. Windows all along one side of the corridor help the connection to feel more open and enjoyable. An exciting new addition to the school, this fitness area will include space for weight training, cheerleading practice, and physical education. Similar to the connecting corridor, the exterior design relies on existing building materials to tie it to the main building, while also bringing in a modern feel, with large glass facades and a strong architectural arch feature.
A nighttime image shows off an opportunity to highlight the school colors and branding graphics to really put a stamp on the school pride. This will further attract attention and visual interest to this corner of the building. An interior snapshot of the fitness center demonstrates the impression of the natural light characteristics of the space. Large, open areas with a tall ceiling are the main design elements that help shape the space.
Updates to the existing cafeteria space provide a branded refresh that adds Greyhound spirit to this hub of the school building. The vision and mission statements join school logos on the walls, supported by the school's colors, displayed in the same dynamic shapes utilized in other parts of the renovation. A wall graphic leading to the competition gym entrance picks up on the cadence of running speedhounds. Thank you for your time. We hope you have enjoyed viewing the progress of the high school renovation project.